The Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries (OPEC) is a formal group of oil exporting countries formed in 1960 to manage oil supply and stabilize prices. In contrast, OPEC Plus is a broader alliance created in 2016 that includes OPEC members along with non-OPEC producers. OPEC mainly focuses on setting production quotas for its members, while OPEC Plus works through wider cooperation to influence global oil markets. Due to the inclusion of major producers like Russia, OPEC Plus has greater control and impact on global oil prices. Difference between OPEC and OPEC Plus. The difference between Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries (OPEC) and OPEC Plus lies mainly in their membership and scope of cooperation in regulating global oil production. Difference between OPEC and OPEC Plus. OPEC main purpose is to regulate oil supply and stabilize prices. OPEC's main purpose is to expand control by including non-OPEC producers. Formation: founded in 1960 in Baghdad by Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia and Venezuela. OPEC Plus formed in 2016 through cooperation between OPEC and 10 non-OPEC countries. OPEC is a formal intergovernmental organization. OPEC Plus is informal alliance or coalition. OPEC coordinate petroleum policies among member nations. OPEC Plus strengthen global oil market management through wider cooperation. Members: around 12 to 13 countries including Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq, UAE, Venezuela. OPEC member plus countries like Russia, Kazakhstan, Mexico, Oman, etc. Leadership: dominated by Saudi Arabia. OPEC Plus joint leadership of Saudi Arabia and Russia. Oil market share: produces 30 to 40% of global crude oil and holds 80% reserves. Produces 40 to 50% of global oil, giving higher influence. Decision making: internal quota system among members. Collective decisions with both OPEC and non-OPEC partners. Influence on prices: adjust production to manage price stability. Stronger price influence due to wider participation. Response to market changes: changes output based on demand supply conditions. Implements larger coordinated production cuts or increases. Headquarters: Vienna, Austria. No separate headquarters follows OPEC framework. About Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries is an intergovernmental organization established in 1960 to coordinate petroleum policies among member countries. Its primary objective is to stabilize global oil markets and ensure fair prices for producers along with a steady supply for consumers. OPEC was founded in Baghdad, Iraq by five countries: Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia and Venezuela. The headquarters of OPEC is located in Vienna, Austria since 1965. The organization mainly includes oil-producing countries from Middle East, Africa and South America. OPEC has 12 member countries: Algeria, Congo, Equatorial Guinea, Gabon, Iraq, Iran, Kuwait, Libya, Nigeria, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates and Venezuela. Congo joined OPEC in 2018, Equatorial Guinea in 2017 and Gabon rejoined in 2016. Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia and Venezuela are founding members of OPEC. OPEC members collectively hold more than 25 to 80% of the world's proven crude oil reserves. The organization produces around 35 to 40% of the world's total crude oil supply. OPEC plays a crucial role in influencing global oil prices by adjusting production levels. Member countries meet regularly to decide production quotas based on global demand and supply conditions. Saudi Arabia is considered the most influential member due to its large oil production capacity. Angola withdrew from OPEC in January 2024, reducing the total number of members. Qatar 2019, Indonesia 2016 and Ecuador 2020 have left or suspended their membership in recent years. About OPEC Plus. It is the alliance of major oil exporting nations. It is an extension of the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries formed in 2016. It consists of 22 oil exporting countries which meet regularly to decide how much crude oil to sell on the world market. Members of OPEC Plus. It comprises 12 OPEC countries plus Azerbaijan, Bahrain, Brunei, Kazakhstan, Russia, Mexico, Malaysia, South Sudan, Sudan, and Oman. These nations aim to work together on adjusting crude oil production to bring stability to the oil market.